Do you deal with the yellow teeth, bad breath, or cavities that just keep coming back no matter what you do? Are you spending hundreds of dollars a year on fancy toothpaste and mouthwashes, only to feel like you are not actually getting the results you were promised? Here is the thing, there is a cheap everyday item sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now that could completely change your dental health without wrecking your mouth's natural balance in the process. I am talking about baking soda. Yes, the same box you use for baking cookies or deodorizing your fridge. It sounds too simple to actually work, but science backs it up. A randomized control trial, considered one of the gold standards of research, found that a single rinse with baking soda cleared plaque from spots a toothbrush usually can't reach. And it does this while stopping tooth decay in its tracks without harming the good bacteria that your mouth actually needs. Your mouth has its own ecosystem. Let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense. Your body is full of different biomes, communities of bacteria that live in different parts of you. You have got a gut biome, a skin biome, even a lung biome. And just like those, your mouth has its own biome too, the oral microbiome. Keeping these biomes balanced is one of the most important things for your overall health. Your gut lining and gut microbiome in particular are huge because they keep the good bacteria in place and stop harmful bacteria from getting in. But here is the thing, most people don't realize. The whole system starts in your mouth. Whatever is happening in your mouth has a different ripple effect on your gut and your entire body. When your oral ecosystem is balanced, your teeth stay strong, white, and healthy. But when that balance gets thrown off, that is when you start seeing problems. Cavities, yellowing, bleeding gums, bad breath. So, what do most people do about it? They brush twice a day, they use expensive floss, and they swish with antiseptic mouthwash. What they don't realize is that these harsh antiseptic rinses are actually destroying their oral microbiome. Antiseptic mouthwash essentially sterilizes your entire mouth. And here's the problem, when you wipe out all the bacteria at once, the bad bacteria bounce back incredibly fast, while the good bacteria takes much longer to recover. That gap gives your mouth time to turn acidic, and that is exactly when plaque starts building up fast. Baking soda works completely differently. It does not start a chemical war in your mouth. Instead, it simply neutralizes acidity and creates an environment where harmful bacteria can't survive, while the good bacteria actually thrive. It is honestly one of the gentlest, most effective ways to clean your mouth. Something science is only now rediscovering. The chemistry behind tooth decay. Now let's get a little bit into the science. But don't worry, I will keep it simple. Your mouth's environment is constantly shifting between acidic and alkaline. Every time you eat something, especially sugary foods, carbs like bread, rice, or crackers, or when you drink soda, the bacteria in your mouth breaks down that food. As a byproduct of digesting it, they release organic acids. The second that acid forms, your mouth's pH level drops, meaning your mouth becomes acidic. And this is where the real damage begins. When the pH drops and acidity rises, it creates the perfect environment for acid-tolerant bacteria. Bacteria that thrive in acidic conditions. These are the exact bacteria responsible for building a plaque and eating away at your enamel. They are the ones causing your cavities. But nature's actually built in a defense system for this. Your saliva naturally contains bicarbonate, literally baking soda produced by your own body, specifically to neutralize this acidity, protect your teeth, and bring your pH back to normal. The problem is our modern diets are working against that ecosystem. We are constantly snacking on sugary or processed foods, not drinking enough water, dealing with chronic stress, and eating throughout the day, all of which overwhelm your saliva's natural buffering system. When that system gets overworked, acidity builds up and your enamel starts breaking down. This is where baking soda rinses come in as the hero. Baking soda is chemically identical to what your saliva naturally produces. When you mix it with water and rinse, you are essentially sending back up to your saliva. It immediately raises your mouth pH, cancel out the acidity, and gives your enamel a chance to remineralize. Meaning it gets stronger again, and best of all, it stops tooth decay from progressing right then and there. What the research actually shows. Now, for the skeptics who need actual proof, I have got two solid studies for you. The first was published in the National Journal of Maxillofacial Surgery. Research took 25 participants and split them into two groups. One group rinsed with plain water and the other rinsed with a baking soda and water solution. The results were striking. The group using the baking soda rinse saw a significant jump in their salivary pH, meaning acidity dropped fast, along with a noticeable decrease in the bacteria responsible for plaque buildup and decay. In other words, baking soda changed the environment of the mouth enough to strip away the power of the bacteria causing all the damage. No harsh chemicals required. Then there is an even bigger study, a randomized controlled trial published in the dental journal BDJ Open. This one compared baking soda toothpaste against regular toothpastes. After just one brushing, the results shook up the dental world a bit. The baking soda toothpaste removed significantly more plaque than the regular one. But here is the most interesting part. When researchers did a deeper analysis, they found that baking soda performed best in the lingual interproximal areas. That is the tight space between your teeth on the tongue side. This is exactly the area your toothbrush struggles to reach and where plaque tends to build up the most. In that specific zone, baking soda removed roughly 50% more plaque than regular toothpaste. How to actually use it? Now, for the part you are probably here for, how do you actually add this to your routine? It is incredibly simple and you can start today. There are two easy steps. Step 1, the baking soda rinse. This is the easiest and most powerful method, and it directly supports what your saliva is already trying to do. All you need is half a teaspoon of baking soda and a full glass of clean water. Room temperature works best. Dissolve the baking soda completely in the water. Take a good sip and swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds, making sure it reaches every corner. After 30 seconds, spit it out. Do this especially after acidic meals or drinks like your morning coffee or tea. Rinsing right after eating or drinking something acidic will neutralize the acidity immediately and protect your enamel from breaking down. Step 2, the toothbrush sprinkle. If you want to really dig out plaque and naturally brighten your teeth, add this step 2. Put your regular toothpaste on your toothbrush like you normally would, charcoal-based or standard, doesn't matter. Then sprinkle a small amount of baking soda directly on top. Brush as usual, paying extra attention to the back of your teeth and the spaces between them, where plaque loves to hide. Baking soda will seriously boost your toothpaste plaque fighting powers. Just keep in mind, this is not meant to replace brushing or flossing. It is not a shortcut to skip your regular routine. Think of it as an extra layer added to your oral hygiene and helps keep the right bacteria balanced in your mouth. So that's it. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and just 30 seconds of your day. That's really all it takes to potentially have yourself hundreds of dollars in dental bills down the line. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.